Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to log out of YouTube account on mobile. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them, so without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser app or any browser app right here. Once we open our browser app right here, on the search bar just search for google.com. After that, click your profile icon on top right corner of the screen. After that, click Manage your Google account and then look for Security. After that, scroll down until you see Manage All Devices. After that, open it and you will see all of the devices connected to your account. To remove it, all you have to do is click it and click Sign Out. After that, you will now be good to go. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.